Okay, guys, today we'll be talking about exponential notation. Here's a brief example. How do you define an exponential notation? This is what it means. When you say a cube, it's generally said as a cube. It would mean a multiplied it by itself in twice. That is a into a into a. This is by definition. It's not something which is so when you say 2 to the power 4, it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, what is the mathematics behind? Like, how do we use this notation? Generally, we say multiplication, or generally define multiplication. So, once you have defined a cube as a into a into a, you say 2 cube into 2 to the power 4, it means 2 multiplied by itself into 3 times and 2 multiplied by to itself 4 times, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the power 7. So a to the power m into a to the power n is nothing but a to the power m plus n. Now, how do you define division? Division of a to the power m divided by a to the power n is nothing but a to the power m minus n. How do you prove it? So basically, let's say you have a to the power 4 divided by a squared. This is nothing but a multiplied by itself 4 times divided by a multiplied by itself 2 times, which you can see on the screen now, which is nothing but a. So the a cancels out twice and you get a squared, which is a to the power 4 minus 2. Some more examples. So what would be 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3? So let's start with the basics. 2 to the power 4 to the power 3 is nothing but 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 it effectively means 2 to the power 4 3 times. That is 2 to the power 4 into 3 brackets. That is 2 to the power 12. So in general, a to the power m to the power n is nothing but a to the power m n. Now, what would then be a to the power n to the power m? This is a to the power n to the power m can be written as a to the power n multiplied by itself m times, which is nothing but a to the power n plus n plus n m times, which is of course a to the power n cross m. Nothing but a to the power m cross n, which is nothing but a to the power m to the power n. So once you have defined exponents, you say a cube is equal to a into a into a. But what about a to the power minus 3? What happens in this case? For example, if n is greater than n, and we need to calculate a to the power n divided by a to the power n, which is nothing but a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a multiplied by itself m times, a multiplied by itself n times. As m is greater than n, you will have 1. This will be equal to 1 divided by a to the power n minus 1. Nothing but, if you take reciprocal of it, is a to the power minus of n minus m. Here I have shown a brief example, a squared by a5, which is a into a divided by a into a into a into a 5 times. This is nothing but 1 by a cube. This is nothing but a to the power minus 3. So a to the power minus 3 means we say a to the power minus 3 is nothing but 1 by a cube. Thank you. That's it.